To reach superluminal speeds, we must look beyond standard physics. Our theory introduces uncapped velocity within a quanta corridor. Imagine a realm where energy is completely unbound.
Two equations enter the ring, E by mc2 and E by mc2. In Einstein's relativity, E by mc2 is the quiet truth. Mass carries positive rest energy. It's the energy budget your matter brings to the universe even when it's just sitting there. So what's with the minus sign? mc2 is not standard physics for ordinary stuff. A raw negative there doesn't mean you, me, or a rock has negative mass, but as a modeling idea it can be useful. I'll use mc2 as a shorthand for an active, negative energy space field, the vacuum itself doing work. Meanwhile, plus mc2 stays as the energy of positive matter. Picture a ledger. On one side, matter with plus mc2, on the other, an active space field contributing mc2, or more generally, negative energy density. When their magnitudes match, the local net is zero. Why try this? Gravity and expansion might not just be about matter curving space. Space could actively push back. In this quanta-style framing, space isn't empty wallpaper, it's a player. Positive matter pulls, negative active space pushes. Here's a crisp way to write the idea. Total local energy equals matter energy plus space field energy. If I call the field's energy density rho chia space, then field energy looks like rho chia space c2 v. Balance means matters plus mc2 equals the field's rho chia space c2 v. Net zero. If that balance shifts, you get behavior, more positive matter than negative field. Gravity wins and things clump. More negative field than positive matter. Space dominates and regions expand. How would I test this? Precision orbits and lensing. Does a tunable negative field term subtly alter how light bends around galaxies compared to standard dark matter fits? Expansion history. Can a dynamic negative field track supernova and BAO data without fine-tuning, predicting a specific change in acceleration over time? Casimir-like lab signals. Does engineered geometry tweak the local active space density, nudging tiny forces we can actually measure? Important. This doesn't rewrite relativity, it extends the bookkeeping. The minus sign is a convention to tag the field's contribution, not a claim that ordinary mass is negative. If experiments keep matching, great. Space gets promoted from stage to actor. If they don't, the minus sign goes back in the drawer. That's the deal. Two equations clash, but the prize is simple. A cleaner account of why the universe both clumps into galaxies and still speeds apart. I'm chasing that balance point, where plus mc2 meets mc2, and asking if that's where cosmic behavior starts to make sense.